If you are using your phone to record your talking heads videos, you need to watch this till the end. This app I'm about to show you will change the way you record your videos. It will improve your productivity by more than 80%. So let's get into it. First of all, come to Play Store or Apple Store, depending on your device. Go to search and search for Elegant Teleprompter. This app right here, you can see it has 4.6 star ratings, and if we look at the downloads, it has 5 million plus downloads, and this is a very lightweight application. It is just 3.5 megabytes. Let's hit install and let's wait for it to finish installing, so I'll walk you through the other processes. All right, now that the app is done installing, let's open it and take a look at how it looks like. Okay, let's go to OK. And what you can do with this application is to allow it to show you your script when you record your videos. This is more like you having a teleprompter right in front of you when you're recording your talking heads videos. If you have ever searched for teleprompters, you know that they are a bit expensive, and this is a way that you can get a teleprompter for free. So now, first of all, we need to add a script, and we have different ways of adding scripts. So we can go here to create, and then we'll add a label. Let me just pick green and say YouTube growth. Done. Go inside YouTube growth, and I can be able to add my script. So I can create a new script or import a script. So for example, if you have a txt file, you can go to import text, and you'll be able to go to the directory where you have it and you select it. But if you like, you can just go to create new script and you enter the title. Then for the content, if you have it, you can actually come here and just paste it. So let me minimize sharply. Let me copy a script somewhere. All right, so I have actually copied a script, so let me just go ahead and paste it here, and let's have it this way. Let me edit it, and yeah, I can just go ahead and save it. You take a step back, you see we have our script here and it's saved. So you can actually come here and see the list of your scripts here in this particular folder. So you can click on a particular script. We don't need this to open, we can close that. You can click here, this icon right here, you see floating window. You can click on this, and yes, if it's your first time, you'll be asked to give permission to Elegant Teleprompter to appear on other apps. So yeah, we have given permission, and now you see we have Elegant Teleprompter here. We can actually flip this. Let's say you are recording a portrait video, you can flip it this way, and you can minimize and go to your camera, and right here you can have, yeah, you can flip it this way, and you go to video, and you can actually start recording your videos. But because I'm recording this right now, I'm not going to start this, but you can start recording your videos and you play this, and your script will be running on your screen while it's capturing your face. And if you're recording a portrait video, for example, let's say YouTube Shorts or something, you can actually use it this way. You push it to the top here, then you click on, you can adjust the speed of this in the settings. So you can click here, and as it is coming out, you are actually going through your video. You already play your video. Yeah, that's it. And yes, let's go into this app so that I can show you more. Let's go to settings. So for settings, so you can actually control the speed and other things here, mirroring, focus, and so on. If you want a more in-depth video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll create a full video covering these two in detail. I'll be bringing another video shortly covering another tool that is very helpful, that works hand in hand with this one. So if you want to see that, do well to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.